this part, we're going to look at the butterfly trade. And we're also, again, going to look at the SPX, which is the S&P 500 index. And if you recall, the butterfly trade is where you could use either calls or puts, and you sell two of the at-the-money strikes, or it actually can be any strike, but if you want to place it at a delta neutral position, you would want to go at the money. So you sell two options of the at-the-money strike, and then you buy one at a lower strike and you buy one at a higher strike. So that's what we're going to look at. And the butterfly trade works best if there's about 30 to 40 days left for expiry. So the June series would work well. Let's look at the June series options. The at-the-money call is going to be the 1370 call and the 1370 put. We can do either one. So let's just focus on the call side and see how we can buy this butterfly. So we're going to buy the butterfly, and it immediately puts up the order. So you can see that the 1370 call, which is right there at the money, we're selling 20 of those options. So when we say 2:1:1, you can use that for any number of options. So the system automatically puts 20. We're going to sell the 20 contracts of the 1370 call. We're going to buy 10 of the 1365 and 10 of the 1375. So this is a butterfly. And if you look at the debit on this, so the debit is only 15 cents. So for a spread of this many contracts, your margin is only $150, and that's the maximum you can lose on this trade. So let's actually increase the spread a little bit. Let's do 1360 and 1380. So we're selling the 1370, two of those, and we're buying at a ratio of 1 at the lower strike, which is 1360, and we're buying one of the 1380. So in our case, it's 20:10:10. Instead of 2:1:1, it's 20:10:10. And that's what it looks like. Our debit now is $1.65. So for 10 of these spreads, we're going to pay $1,650, and that's going to be the maximum loss on this trade. So let's look at its risk profile and see what a butterfly looks like. So that's exactly what a butterfly is. And if you recall the iron condor, it's, the butterfly also has wings. Now this is the left wing and this is the right wing. And in the middle, it has this huge profit potential. So you have a profit potential of almost $7,000 on an investment of $1,650. So the potential for profit is very high. But what's the problem here? The problem is, on the day of expiry, the butterfly should expire exactly at 1370, so which is your short position, your double short actually there. And if it expires exactly at 1370, you're going to realize a very high profit. The other downside is you don't have much room on either side. So if the S&P goes to 1361, then that's your break-even point on the lower side. On the higher side, your break-even point is about 1378.